Experts on Afghan affairs have revealed that Afghan Taliban, once fiercely anti-India and vocally critical of the idol-worshipping state, are now actively seeking New Delhi's trade, investment and reconstruction support, highlighting a striking shift from ideological posturing to transactional diplomacy. According to Kashmir Media Service, for over 2 decades, the experts added, Taliban depicted India as a Hindu Kafir state, supporting anti-Islam forces in Kabul. Indian consuls were branded as raw terror hubs, and Indian influence in Afghanistan was equated with submersion. Yet the same emirate now sends its foreign minister and commerce minister to India seeking wheat, access to ports, reconstruction funding and trade corridors. The Taliban's embrace of India starkly contrasts with their historic attacks on the Bamiyan Buddhas, which they destroyed as an un-Islamic idols representing Buddhist Hindu civilization. Heritage India now positions itself to protect as well as to promote. Analysts further note that the Emirates' pragmatism extends to sidelining their Muslim neighboring Pakistan, despite rhetoric emphasizing Islamic solidarity and shared history. Taliban's officials have prioritized Delhi over Islamabad, bypassing Pakistan on trade and recognition issues while remaining silent on India's oppression of Kashmir and other Muslims concerned during official visits. On domestic policy, the Taliban continue to enforce strict measures in the name of Sharia, curbing girls' education, women's work, and the media freedoms. Yet when it comes to foreign affairs, they display remarkable flexibility, shedding anti-West and anti-India slogans in favor of securing economic support and diplomatic legitimacy. Even India's border concerns are met with accommodation, while the Durand Line issues with Pakistan is unduly raised. So observers highlight that repeated ministerial trips to New Delhi, photo ops and appeals for Indian support signal a very clear scramble for de facto recognition, despite the Emirates' public claims of not begging for legitimacy. Taliban have long wielded faith and jihadist rhetoric against Pakistan and the West. But when it comes to dealings with India, they quietly park ideology, treating the state like another fragile regime, willing to overlook past enemies of Islam in exchange for wheat, trade routes, and a seat at the diplomatic table.